Hello beauty people, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add click to call in Elementor. So as you can see, this is a number. When you click on this number, then it will open a pop-up. So it's now a clickable number. So you can make this type of clickable number very easy. First you need to open with Elementor. So I am going to add a click to call number here. So I am going to add a new section. Here I am going to add a icon box or icon list. I am going to add icon list. So now I am add a random number. Now you can design this as you want. So how you can make this clickable? Just on the left panel here you can see link. So here you need to add a link like tel colon. Now add your number. You can add plus symbol and then your country code and then your number. So now it's clickable. So now if I update this, now let's check on preview. So you can make any text, any number clickable very easy, just like this. So when you click on this number, then it will open a pop-up. So it's now clickable number. So this is how you can add clickable number, how you can make this. So very easy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.